Welcome. If you're looking to stay up to date with everything your friends are doing on Facebook, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable Friends Activities push notifications on your Facebook page using your PC, all based on the latest update. Let's jump right in and make sure you never miss a moment. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select the page you want to manage. This will take you directly to your Facebook page. Now on your page, find your page profile photo and click on it. This opens up your page's main menu and settings options. Next, look for the Settings and Privacy option. Click on it, and from the expanded menu, choose Settings. This will bring you to a new page with all the settings you can customize for your page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Notifications. This section controls all the alerts and updates you receive for your page. Scroll down until you find Updates from Friends. This is where you can manage notifications about your friends' activities. To enable push notifications, simply toggle the switch next to Push so that it's turned on. Once you do this, you'll start receiving real-time notifications whenever your friends interact or share updates relevant to your page. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Friends Activities push notifications for your Facebook page on your PC. Now, you'll always be in the loop and can engage with your friends' activities as soon as they happen. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.